Hello my beautiful friends. Today the recipe is Tomato Keema. I learned it the Hyderabadi way, which my mother-in-law usually used to make it. And for this the ingredients are 2 medium-sized onions sliced, 2 to 3 medium tomatoes chopped with 4 to 6 curry leaves. I have 1.5 pound of mutton Qeema. I have 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of white zira or cumin seeds. To garnish, I have handful of coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. For cooking, I have 1/3 cup of oil and I'm gonna cook it in the pressure cooker. After adding half a teaspoon of cumin seeds in the pressure cooker and frying it for a minute, you have to add the sliced onions to it and fry them until they turn light golden in color. Once the onions will start changing their color, we are going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to it and then mix it and wait until it turns light golden. Once they have changed their color, we have to add the ground mutton to it. After adding the Keema to the pressure cooker, I'm going to fry it for a few minutes until it changes color from light pink to light brown. After 3 to 4 minutes, we have to add the chopped tomatoes, the curry leaves and all the dry spices to it. Mix it well and fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes altogether. At this point, I'm gonna add 4 to 6 tablespoons of water, and after mixing it together, I'm gonna put the lid on the pressure cooker and cook it on medium to high flame for 3 whistles. After opening the lid and cooking it for 3 to 4 whistles on medium to high flame, it looks like this. Let's cook it for 4 to 5 minutes on high flame. It's been 3 to 4 minutes that it's been cooking on high flame. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of garam masala powder, handful of coriander, 2 green chilies, and then I'm gonna mix it. And last but not the least, if you have lemon juice, you can add that at the very end after dishing it out. And I'm also going to boil some eggs just to serve along with it. If you like boiled eggs, for sure. Otherwise, serve it as it is. So cook it nicely for a few more minutes until the oil separates. It has already started to, but yeah, cook it nicely for 2 to 3 more minutes, and then you can just let it simmer for 5 to 8 minutes with the lid cover. And I'm just boiling 4 eggs with half a teaspoon of salt, adding to the water to be boiled. It was cooking on simmer for past 5 to 8 minutes, and after 8 minutes I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it, and then in a minute I'm gonna just dish it out to serve, but I'm still waiting for the eggs to boil. So dear friends, this is the final look of the tomato Keema. I have just decorated a boiled egg along with some black peppers sprinkled on it. If you like eggs, that's okay. It's not a part of this dish. You can just enjoy it with parathas, naan, khatti dal or vegetable rice. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends. Take care, stay safe. Love you all till next time. Take care. Goodbye.